What's the meaning of cellist? Cellist. Cellist.
Cellist. Cellist. A cellist is a musician who plays the cello, which is a bowed string instrument that is part of the violin family. The cello is larger than the viola and smaller than the double bass, and it produces a rich, warm tone. Cellists use a bow to create sound by drawing it across the strings of the cello, and they can also use their fingers to pluck the strings. Cellists may perform solo or as part of an orchestra, ensemble, or chamber group, and they play a wide range of musical styles and genres.